Sit tall with your legs stretched forward. Press your palms down and gently lift your chest to activate your deep core and pelvic support muscles. Lean forward just a bit. Feel the muscles around your hips engage as your torso shifts forward. Lift your hips slightly, then lower them. Small, controlled movements help wake up your stabilizing muscles. Lean a little deeper now. Stay relaxed and let your breath guide the stretch. Shift your weight forward using your hands. Prepare to move into a low, supported position. Bring your knees in and support yourself with your hands. We're warming up the lower body. Shift your weight from side to side. Keep the motion smooth and controlled. Extend one leg outward and let the stretch open your hips gently. Lift your hips a bit and begin crawling forward slowly. Bring each knee toward your chest one at a time. Stay steady and controlled. Sway your hips gently from left to right, loosening the lower back. Lift your knee outward. Keep your core steady as you raise it. Switch sides and repeat the same controlled movement. Now rise to your feet, then fold forward over your legs.
Let your hands reach toward the floor, relaxing your neck and spine.
Bend your knees slightly and rock forward and back in a smooth rhythm. Fold a bit deeper and allow your hamstrings to lengthen comfortably. Return to a seated position, slowly and with control. Sit upright and slowly rotate your torso from side to side to loosen your midsection. Turn your torso and place one hand behind you, letting your spine rotate comfortably. Now twist to the other side, keeping your breath slow and steady. Move to your hands and knees and gently arch and round your back to release tension. Continue moving through your spine, letting each motion feel gradual and smooth. Sit your hips back and reach your arms forward, easing into a gentle stretch. Shift your hips gently from side to side, lengthening the muscles along your torso. Extend one leg straight back and hold your core steady. Switch legs and extend the other one behind you, keeping your movement smooth. Make slow circles with your hips, keeping the motion wide and relaxed. Now circle your hips in the opposite direction, easing into the movement. Extend your legs into a wide V shape and lean forward softly. Reach toward your left foot and take a gentle side stretch. Switch sides and reach toward your right foot, keeping your breathing easy. Sit tall and roll your shoulders backward in slow, relaxed circles. Now circle your shoulders forward, keeping the motion smooth. Sit comfortably and take a slow, deep inhale through your nose.
Exhale slowly, letting your shoulders drop and your body unwind.
Let your neck move gently from side to side, keeping the motion comfortable.
Sit tall again and take another slow breath, keeping your body relaxed.
Bring your hands together and take one final breath to finish your morning routine.